Let's play the game. So at the start of the game, we do not want to see the mine count. So let's comment that out right here. You know, when we initialize the mine count, we don't want to see that. And then we'll go to the process, left click, and add a couple things. So this is the first part we had. On the first click, we generate the mines, and also we initialize the mine count. But we're going to do now some additional things. So if the block, and we'll do the easiest one first. If the block is playable, it hasn't been revealed, and it has a mine, we're going to reveal all, we're going to end the game, and the end of game is simply to reveal all the blocks. So end of game goes through each block. It has a little delay here, right? It has a little delay, and it just simply reveals the mine count for each block. So if we go test that out, we click on, we're going to click on a mine, and any moment. Okay, so you see I'm going to click on a mine, and we start generating the numbers. And we'll make this a little more interesting later, but these are all zeros, so we can change those two later to a different color. But right now it's just generating, and this is the end of the game, and I should not be able to click anymore. See? So let's get that done. We got, the next part will be, well, what if it's not a mine? So we'll handle the next easiest part, and that is if it has a mine around it. So let's say we click a block. So this is the extra part. We took care of this, which has a mine, right? So that ends the game. Then we'll do this part, which is it has a mine around it. The last part we'll leave out because that's the hardest part. If it doesn't have a mine, we have to reveal all those empty blocks. But if it does have a mine around it, then we want to see the number and simply see the number. So we reveal the mine count, we increase the number of blocks that were revealed, and we make that block not playable. Of course, the not playable part is if we click it again, nothing happens, right? And also the reveal, it has to do with this part. So if you start revealing the blocks, you don't want to do this over again. So that'll take care of that. So let's go check it out. I'm going to test this out. The first one is, you see, so that was the first one. We're guaranteed there's no mine on that, but it says there's one mine next to it. So if I click on this one, you see 2. Now if I click on an empty one, we're not doing anything. And you can't click on this again, and basically it's deactivated, right? So let me try with a few more mines, right? So now I click 5. So if I click over here, it says 2 mines, 2 should be 4. This one says 4. So right now that's working in the sense that when you click a block and it has some mines around it, you simply reveal how many mines. Okay, so let's get that done.